So here we have a 4-pack of puck style lights with remote control. So these are rechargeable with a Type-C USB port, and these are designed to be put wherever you need light. It makes it super convenient with the sticky magnet tape, and the light is magnetized and it will hold whether sideways, upside down, and it's really designed for like closets. It's designed for under cabinets and stuff, and what I'm using it for is under my computer desk. So these lights fully charge in just 2 hours. They give you 8.5 hours of high brightness light or 14 hours with low brightness. So that's a lot of convenience in the smaller the package. So you got 2 ways to control it. You could tap on the puck and turn on and off the light, or you can use the remote control. And it also has an adjustable brightness from 25, 50, 75, and 100%. This way you could have the light that you need and conserve battery life if you don't need something too bright all the time. It also has a remote timer, which is great for bedrooms, especially for children. You put it for 15, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or 120 minutes, depending how much time you need light. And this is a good night light that will shut off after the time is done. And what I like about these is that the light is a warm light, not like a real cold like kitchen light. So this is great for bookshelves, in the pantry, closets, in the kitchen, under the cabinets. Basically, any place you need a little light, whether you're trying to provide accent lighting or you just need to see something, this is a great option for convenience and flexibility.